Ma'am, I have.
Sorry, Kush, one sec. Huh? Group 1 has already done. Sorry. Group 2 has to do today. Tomorrow is group 5B. Yes, Kush, now
Ma'am,
tell.
the notice writing we have to do
Ma'am,
now only.
Children, don't be bothered about notice writing. Start your test first. Come on.
ma'am,
Notice writing. Yes, Kush.
ma'am, I was reading the test and the last question was that notice writing. And I have written, I thought that we have to write in that one, that and in notebook also.
So, what did you do then?
I can write in that only.
No. You
And
have to
I will
in
write in notebook also and in Google Form also.
Okay, I have posted an assignment in the class. Okay, I have posted an assignment in the class where the form of the assessment is there. There you will click a picture of the notice. Is everyone listening, or are you going to ask me separately? The notice writing which is in the Google form. Vihan Patel, what did I say?
Excuse me, ma'am. You will ask manually.
Vihan Patel.
Ma'am, you said that we have to. Ma'am, means I was not able to hear that because.
I know. That's why I called out your name because you're on some other website. And
Ma'am,
then in the end, you will disturb me, ma'am.
I was doing the form.
So I said, no, listen. All of you stop doing the form. If you ask me a question regarding notice writing later during the test, I will not answer. I'm telling you. You will lose those 5 marks because you're not listening now. The last question of the form is notice writing. You have to do it in the notebook. You have to do it in the notebook. Click a picture. I have already posted an assignment called English Assessment Notice
Ma'am,
Writing.
can you send the link?
Attach your picture there and send it to me. All those who don't attach will lose 5 marks. So even if you get full marks, you will get 25 only. I am not going to check the notice which you have written in the Google form. I hope I am talking in plain, simple English. Now, don't ask me, ma'am, do we have to write in notebook? 10 of you will have this question. 10
Ma'am,
of,
no, ma'am. I have a different question.
yes, Anand.
Ma'am, we will get marks now or you will take manually because.
Manually.
Ma'am, can you send?
I will check manually.
Ma'am, ma'am, in form we can't submit the form without writing that answer. So can we write in that done in
Done.
notebook?
Yeah, that's what. Done in notebook.
Ma'am, can I say Ayansh? I have a doubt.
Yes, Ayansh, what is your question?
Ma'am, we have to only send that notice writing or full worksheet of that attachment.
I didn't get your question, Ayansh.
Means, ma'am, there is last notice writing, so we have to done in notebook. So we
Yeah.
have to send that in your that PDF attached file. So that whole worksheet we have to do and send it to that.
Just the notice.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it requires you to make a box. No, how will you make a box in the Google form?
Ma'am, if I will go in Google for my camera will get off.
Okay, Arif, okay. Yes, Sia.
Ma'am, we have to write the in notice writing not done in notebook.
Yes, so when you reach that question, no, there is a line there. You write there, done, write anything. Done in notebook, submitted, anything. Because if you don't write anything, it will not let you click on submit. So write anything and submit.
Okay.
Yes, me. What's your question?
Ma'am, I was telling that if we have to make a sentence in which, so we have to make start in word capital or small
Anything
only?
will do. Anything will do because I have to check manually. Yes, Kush. Kush Kapadia.
Ma'am, I was asking that Nick asked.
Huh? I was asking.
Ma'am, Nick asked no that
Ha ha
we
ha.
can write down in notebook. That I was asking.
Yeah. Yes, Anand. Nothing. Put your hand down. See ya.
Ma'am, I don't understand second page and last question.
What?
I didn't understand the question of
Which one?
second page in last page two question.
Second page. No. Give me the question number. Give me the question number.
5.
5. What do the bees use in their defense?
Catherine, ma'am.
I didn't understand.
So if someone attacks them, what do they do? Yes. Jahan, what's your question?
Ma'am, I was.
Jahan.
In the notice we have to write. Do we have to send you the mail of notice, or will you attach a thing to classroom where we can send?
I've already done that, beta. It is in the language folder. English assessment, term 1, notice writing. Attach your picture there.
Okay.
Yes, Arav.
I was telling that tomorrow I need to attend the reading class. That's why today I can attend.
Arav, I didn't get it. Tomorrow.
Today I didn't attend the reading class. That's why can I attend today?
Have you learned the speech or are you going to read the speech?
I am going to read the speech for Just Watch Bharat.
Then you better don't attend. Because I sent a message in the classroom yesterday that all of you have to learn the speech and come, not read the speech. Which class are we having this week? Speaking class, right? Not a reading class. Yes, Reva.
Ma'am, in the fourth page, 20.
Please give me the question number because I am having the whole thing. Right? Give me the
Ma'am,
question number.
yes, in the 22 number, picture 2, picture 4. So what is it? What we have to write that
Picture
on?
4 is about, see all these things. Picture 4 is about what you see there, food items, right?
Yes.
So make a sentence using going to and talking about the picture.
Ma'am, can we write any hotel name?
Anything. But the word going to should be there because this is an exercise on future. If going to is missing from the sentence, then no marks will be given.
Okay.
Yes, Meet.
Ma'am, you can open Google Meet in pop-up view. I'm doing in tablet, so my camera is also on. Means a small side is also open side by here, and Google Form is also here.
Yes, ma'am, but it's minimized.
Anant, do your work. And nobody will submit. Nobody will submit before 12:15. If you have finished your form and you're writing the notice, then you can submit.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my notice writing and form is done.
Did you revise, Kush? Did you check your
Yes, I
answer?
have checked full form.
Now sit quietly, okay?
Ma'am, I have done the form. I'm writing notice writing. So can I submit?
Yeah. Please don't ask children and disturb the ones who are doing the test. It is irritating for others who are using earphones to keep hearing someone talking while they are thinking, isn't it? So we all shall maintain some courtesy for those who are using earphones. Just type anything that you want to say in the chat box. I will answer that. Riddhi, what is the time of the class? 55, 11:55. Network issue.
Ma'am, I've
Power
sent you.
cut. What?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I've sent you. Ma'am, I've sent you.
What have you sent me, Farzan?
Ma'am, that the CD.
Divyosha and Riddhi, why are you joining in 10 minutes late? 11 minutes late.
Ma'am, sorry because I had gone out because my brother was not feeling well.
I've posted the link in the classroom. Both of you hear it properly. Riddhi and Divyosha.
Ma'am, you will.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Riddhi, Divyosha, I have posted the link in the chat box. In the classroom, I have posted it. Now, the last question of the form is notice writing. Okay. There you will just write DONE done. What will you write? DONE done. And then you will write that notice in the notebook in proper format, drawing a box, and click a picture and send it to me. In the assignment, I have posted an assignment in the language folder saying English assignment notice writing. Posted there. Got it, both of you? Okay, now start doing the test. Starting the test. Yes, Arav Patel, what's your question?
And my question was that we will get our marks.
No, manually I'm going to check. You will not get the marks. Rudra?
Ma'am, I pasted in chat.
Ma'am can paste the notice question from Google form. Where do you want me to paste? Chat box?
Yes, ma'am. Because I submitted, so how can I see our question? I forgot.
Intelligent.
Ma'am, don't, ma'am,
Yes,
right.
ma'am. I want to ask you that the last question I have not read the question. That's why I want to see.
Very good. I've pasted it in the chat box, children. The notice writing question.
Ma'am, I can send the notice writing.
Yeah, please attach. Please attach. And tomorrow, children, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. So 5A and 5B will have a combined class at 9:30.
We have a class tomorrow.
In your class. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday, no, beta?
Ma'am, we have a class
Ma'am.
tomorrow. Question in the chat box above.
9:30. Yes, Vivan, you can submit.
Next form.
Vivan,
Ma'am, what are we doing tomorrow?
Yes, you can submit the form. Vidisha, can we talk about this later? Can we
Ma'am.
focus on the assessment? In 22 question, we have to write the sentence. Yes, for the picture. Using going to. One example is already given to you for the first picture, the clock. So you have to form questions like that.
Ma'am,
Yugbaria, why are you pasting it again and again and again? Where are you?
ma'am, you got my form and notice writing.
What you?
We are filling the chat box, so I can't see.
Oh.
Ma'am, can you please see the chat box?
I am on the chat box. Yeah, you can submit. Everyone who finish the paper can submit and start doing the notice writing in the notebook. Okay. Very good, Tawassim. 12 o'clock you are joining. Open your camera. I want to see you. Why are you joining in late? Weren't you aware you have assessment today? Stop laughing. I'm sending the link. Wait. And listen, Tawassim. Listening or not?
Yes, I'm listening.
Last. Wait. Last question is notice writing. So don't do it in the form. Do it in the notebook and send me a picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, did you got my work?
Can you type in the chat box, Kush? Please. I will check. Wait. Type in the chat box. I'll keep telling whose all notice I have received. Okay. Don't ask me whether I've received the form or not.
Ma'am,
5 people have sent me the notice. Ayansh has sent me without submitting the picture. 0. Prisha, no picture. Vidisha, no picture.
Because I have sent the text.
ma'am, I will send the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will not be able to attach. No, you already turned in intelligent people. How will you attach?
Ma'am, we can unsubmit.
When I tell you stop, listen to the teacher. This is what I'm telling. Listen to the teacher.
Ma'am, I will unsubmit it and then send you.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
intelligent.
Can I do this?
Yes, Vidisha, what is your question?
Can I have this unsubmitted and do this?
Yes. Please attach the picture. Otherwise, you people are not taking my advice seriously. Your 5 marks will be gone. Gone.
Ma'am, when I submit, so my form is not gone, no?
I have a doubt.
No. Once submitted, it is submitted. Then the form doesn't have to do anything. That's an assignment turning, not the form turn. Yes, Anand, what is it?
Ma'am, I don't understand the question number 22.
20. Wait. 22. Question number 22, Anand. Look at the picture and look at the sentence which is written above the picture.
Ma'am, I can't see any sentence.
Please borrow my eyes. I'm ready to
Ma'am?
take it.
Ma'am, in letter writing, if we write with pencil, it will work or not?
No, I can't see with pencil. It is very light, no? So when I'm checking on the computer, it's not visible, bacha. Write with any pen, doesn't matter. But please write with pen.
Ma'am, you didn't say my name.
For what?
Notice writing.
1 second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Kush, I did not say your name. Who is this? Shami Sheikh. Whose mother, father, brother, sister is this? Tawassim, is it yours? You're smiling so much. Then, who is this Shami Sheikh? Whose cousin, brother, sister, mother, father is this?
Ma'am, say the name again.
Shami Sheikh.
No, it's not.
Trying to enter my class. Again.
Ma'am, sir, we have when it is the question number 26, I have reached. then the notice writing is there. So I will write in my notebook. Then how to submit? You have tell to submit. So first we will submit the form. So it will submit in assignment also.
We can unsubmit.
Anand. Anand.
Yes, ma'am.
When you submit, no? Switch off your mic. When you submit the form, only the form will go. Okay. And when you want to send me the notice writing picture, you have to go to the classroom. There is an assignment that I've posted, English assessment. Paste that picture there. And then do done. Turn in. And I'll get both. I'll get the form also and I'll get the notebook. Yeah, Sia.
Ma'am, did you get mine?
We can start the notice.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Ma'am, did you get mine?
I'm checking. Wait.
And ma'am,
Who is this Sami Sheikh? Somebody please tell me who has shared the link with someone.
Ma'am, it can be joined from code. It can be joined from code.
That's
Ma'am.
right.
when I will do the notice,
Somebody is
I
trying
think
to
my
enter my
camera
lab.
will be off.
Okay, Sia.
Catherine ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आयांश का एक बार चेक कीजिए कि आपको नोटिस और वर्कशीट मिला, मतलब आंसर जो उसने टाइप किए वो आपको मिले कि ब्लैंक मिला एकदम.
एक सेकेंड. Notice writing I have received of the following students: Ayansh, Ibrahim, Kush, and Yug. That's all.
Ma'am, my Google form is not opening.
I have received the picture of only these students. Rest, nobody's picture has come.
Ma'am, I'm telling that the cup of I was confused that I forgot to ask. Ma'am, there is a cup made in 22 question number 22. There is a cup. It is a coffee or tea.
Very funny question.
Ma'am,
हाँ मैम, notice मिल गया.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tabassim.
Ma'am.
One by one, बच्चा. Tabassim.
my Google form is not opening.
Why?
I don't know, ma'am.
What is the error that you're getting?
It's telling to sign in and I am signing in. It's again and again coming. Ma'am, I want to say something.
You have to log out of your Google account, log in with your parent ID, and then attempt the form.
Okay.
Yes, Kahan.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
there is last question about notice writing. So, ma'am, you have said that we have to write in notebook. So, so I can write done in notebook there.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying that one.
what is picture number 4 in question number 22?
It is food. Anand, it is food. Different food items.
Ma'am, we can write the notice. We can write the notice in the black.
What's here?
No, ma'am.
In the Google. Any pen.
Ma'am.
Any pen. I just want it in the right format. And I hope that you people remember that each thing carries marks. And how much marks? We had discussed half mark,
Yes,
1 mark, half mark. Please use that format. Otherwise, please don't expect 5 marks for that notice.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Kahan.
Ma'am, you have sent the link in the classroom.
Of
Ma'am,
Kahan. Go to the English language folder. It is there. Yes, Tawassim.
it is showing you need permission.
You need permission because you're logging in from Shami Sheikh.
No, ma'am.
Present your screen quickly. Show me. Present your screen and show me the form. I'll tell you what's wrong. Meet yes question.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
done the
ma'am.
page 4. Ma'am, I have done the page 4. So in notice writing, I have written all of them, but I wanted to name Rahul, but it's by mistakenly added Rahu.
Ma'am, have you got my
Don't ask me, have you got mine? Have you got mine? In the end, I will announce who's all I have got. Okay? Don't disturb the ones who are still doing. Please. Dhruv, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am, I have done, but I have not got the assignment, so I am checking it in classroom.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done. So can I leave?
Ma'am, my Google Form has started.
Dhruv, it is in the
Ma'am, I'm
English
sending you
language
the photo.
folder.
Yes, okay.
English language folder. The first assignment is notice writing. Prisha finished?
Ma'am,
Sent the notice?
Ma'am,
ma'am, I am asking
Ma'am.
that can we do the sign after the name?
Yeah. Yes, Tawassim, present your screen, beta.
my Google Form has started.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What, Tawassim?
My Google Form has started.
Very good. Tell it to run now because time is up.
Excuse
Okay,
me, ma'am.
thank you.
Yes, Vansh.
Ma'am, I have sent you the Google form and my notice. You have received?
I will tell in the end. 12:15, I will announce
Ma'am,
what I have received. Yes, Rivi.
ma'am, I am doing the notice writing and I have left a bit, so I'm writing. So the time is not that much. So can I submit till 1 o'clock?
ma'am? Please, can you send the notice writing one because I have done the CT.
1 minute. You want the question?
Yep.
Who is this, ma'am?
Kahan.
Yeah, Kahan. Tell me.
We have to send notice writing till today.
Now, what today? Now. Submit it now. Okay, I'm telling the names of all those whose notice I have received. Very good. I have received only 11.
Ma'am.
Let me read the names. Ayansh, Dhruv, Ibrahim, Kush. Kush Kapadia.
Yes.
1 second. You're getting a 0. Okay.
Why?
Meet, I have received Nayak, Prisha, Rudra, Mangukia, Vansh, and Yug, and Farzan. That's it.
Notice or the Google form?
Notice. I have
Oh, I'm writing notice, but
no. Children had asked me whose all I have received. Let's just
Ma'am, I'm writing it is okay.
Kush Kapadia. Where are you?
I am here at home.
Ha. Just see what you have sent me. Just see. And please check it for me. You only check it for me.
Ma'am, I will
Okay, ma'am.
after 1 o'clock.
Why?
Ma'am, I can read.
Kush Kapadia, see your notice. See? How does it look?
Ma'am, I'm sending again.
And where is the format, beta? We had to draw a box. We had to write something in the first line, something in the second line, something in the third line. Where is the format? How am I supposed to even read this text?
Ma'am, did you get my?
I don't have microscope in my eyes.
Ma'am, zoom.
I don't have zoom also. My normal
Ma'am,
eye.
Ma'am, I can see.
No, I will not see. I will not take that much effort. I will just give 0.
Ma'am, did you
Please
get
send
my?
it to me again, Kush Kapadia. Write it in proper format and send it to me again. Yes, who was it talking?
Vidisha,
Yeah, Prisha, tell me.
did you get mine?
Your notice? You're talking about your notice?
Both Google form and notice.
Google form, I'm not telling. I'm just telling the notice. Notice, Vidisha.
Ma'am, have you got Vihan notice?
1 minute. I'm reading. Ayansh, Dhruv, Farzan, Ibrahim, Kush, Meet, Nek, Prisha, Rudra, Vansh, Vidisha, Yug. And that's it. Vihan Patel, I've not received yours. Let me refresh. No, Vihan, I've not received it.
Ma'am, did you get mine?
Who's this?
Ma'am, Anvi.
Anvi. No, Anvi. You're talking about notice?
Yes, ma'am.
No, Victor.
Ma'am, I will send again.
Did you attach it in the assignment section?
Yes, ma'am.
Attach it again, no, once. Children, the time is up. All those who have not submitted the notice, please submit. I am not going to give any reminders. If I don't receive, please understand that it is -5.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will send you.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
I'll wait.
Ma'am, before.